Let's do this.
Now remember, we have to act like them or it won't work. That means no talking, no playing around, no firing. Yes, tough. Most of those were for you and your sister.
Here, I thought profiling was beneath you, Hiccup.
I'll get snotlout. Just go, Astrid. Here's what's now. Multiple blasts. Hiccup, we need more delicious and juicy fruit. Do you have any more delicious and juicy fruit? Oh, no. Hiccup! It's leading the sentinels away. It's protecting us. All right, let's go, snotlout. Who knows how long that'll distract them.